Before we start, look at this super cool computer beautifier. Make your computer stand out by animating things. This not just works offline, but its online mode works whenever you search and browse things online. This comes with a beautiful animated search engine. This search engine is made to make your searches smoother and attractive, unlike other search engines. When it comes to a browsing mode, it makes browsing ultra smoother. This adds Princeton's animations to make it even more classy. You get a customizable interface with this. This is Volvo Beautifier. Get your hands on, try it yourself. It is fun when you use it.
It is just a two-step process to fix 0x800704cf error in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type command prompt. Right click here and click on run as administrator. Now type this command scconfig wusrev start equal to auto and hit enter. Then type this command scconfig bits start equal to auto and hit enter. Then type scconfig crypt svc start equal to auto and hit enter. Then type scconfig trusted installer start equal to auto and hit enter. And finally type exit to close this command prompt. Again go to search bar and type PowerShell. Right click here and run as administrator. On this window, you will get this command from the description below. Copy it. Then right click here, go to edit and select paste and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process. After that, type exit to close this. Again go to search bar and type command prompt. Right click here and run as administrator. Now type this command netwauserv and hit enter. Then close this command prompt. Again go to start icon. Then click on settings. Now select apps and search here store. Select it. Go to advanced option. Click on reset and click on reset. It will take some time. After that, close all windows and your problem will be solved. You are good to go.